Hey everyone, it's me, Ben, here again, and I have a question for you. Have you ever come across words in English that are spelled differently but pronounced exactly the same? Chances are you have. These are called homophones, and English has a lot of them. Now, for language learners, I think it's especially important that you can recognize these and tell them apart. So in this video, I'm going to go through 5 pairs of homophones, words pronounced the same but spelled differently, and I'll give you some tips on how to use them. So pair number 1 is pair and pair. Now pair, P-A-I-R, refers to two of something or a couple. Like, those two make a really great pair, or I got a new pair of glasses. Pear, P-E-A-R, is a fruit. Like, I have a pear tree in my backyard. Number 2 is bear and bear. Now, bear, B-A-R-E, is an adjective. This means undecorated or uncovered. For example, the walls are bare, or I like walking around barefoot. Bear, B-E-A-R, is a big furry animal, like a grizzly bear or a polar bear. Have you ever seen a bear in the wild? Number 3 is flour and flour. Now, flour, F-L-O-U-R, is this white powder that you use when you're baking. It's made from wheat. Like this recipe calls for a cup of flour. Flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, is a kind of plant with colorful petals, like a rose or a tulip or a daffodil. What's your favorite kind of flower? Number 4 is thyme and thyme. Now, thyme, T-H-Y-M-E, is a kind of herb. You can use this when you're cooking to season your dishes. Add a pinch of thyme to the sauce. Thyme, T-I-M-E, well, I could explain what thyme is, but I don't really have the time. Number 5 is there, and there. Now here we have a group of 3 words that are pronounced the same, but it's a pet peeve of mine when people mix these up. You got to pay extra attention when you are spelling these to use the right one. So there, T-H-E-R-E, is an adverb. It means that place. So not here, but there. There, T-H-E-I-R, shows possession, that something belongs to them. For example, my parents got a new car, and so they are selling their old one. Now there, the last there, T-H-E-Y'-R-E, is a contraction of they and are. So they're going to be late because they missed the bus. So there you have it, 5 groups of homophones. Can you think of any more? Let us know in the comments. I hope this explanation was clear and helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.